Crispy chicken is a standard dish in the Cantonese cuisine of southern China and Hong Kong. The chicken is fried in such a way that the skin is extremely crunchy, but the white meat is relatively soft. It is one of the traditional Chinese dishes, and we will see the ingredients required to make this dish. As you can see them in the screen. We will chop the vegetables. We will cut the onions in very small thin cubes, and we will chop the bell pepper, both red and yellow, and capsicum very finely, as I have shown. We will take around 2 stems of spring onions, and we will finely chop it like this. We will take around 300 grams of thin chicken breast, and we will slice it in very thin strips like this, as I have shown here. We will get around 15 pieces of like this very thin chicken strips. Now we will prepare the marination. First we will add the chicken in a bowl. We will add the salt as per required. One tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 full egg, half tablespoon of Kashmiri mirch, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 3 tablespoon of flour or maida, 2 tablespoons of corn flour. You can also add more corn flour because it adds extra crunchiness to the chicken. And 1 tablespoon of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of dhania powder and 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder. And we'll mix it very well. I have used spoon here, you can also use your hand to mix it. And we'll keep it for some time. You can keep it for 2 hours for better coating, but at least you should keep for 30 minutes before frying it. Next we will deep fry the chicken strips. First in high flame, then in low flame, as high flame allows the crunchiness to grow and the low flame makes the chicken soft inside and it gives the tenderness to the chicken. After frying, we will keep this in a tissue paper. Next for cooking, we will heat the pan, add around 5 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then we will put the slices of onion, and we will fry it till it becomes light golden brown in color. We will add the salt as per required. While adding the salt, keep it in mind that all the sauces we are going to add, those contains salt in them, so add little bit less amount. Then we will add the capsicum and bell peppers. we'll fry it little bit. Half teaspoon of soya sauce, around 2 teaspoon of tomato sauce, one tablespoon of schezwan sauce, and around half tablespoon of red chilli paste. You can also add extra amount of it. Then we will add slight pinch of black pepper and we'll mix it very well. This all should be done in high flame. After mixing all the vegetables and the sauce, we'll add the chicken strips to it. After putting the chicken, with the help of the spoon, we'll coat it and we'll toss it 2 or 3 times so that the coating is done properly and all the ingredients mixes very well and evenly. Just before stopping the flame, we will add finely chopped spring onions, toss it 2 or 3 times and mix it well, and that's all. The crispy chicken is prepared and we will serve it hot. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.